All right, think I'm live. All right, guys. Hey, welcome to Mitch's Music, and I just wanted to do this quick update. I've been working on some things recently, and I've had a lot of great response from when I post classic country things, and so it seems like a lot of you guys are interested in learning some classic country or that style in general. So I'm working on a course right now that breaks down some of the strumming patterns and things like that. So you'll learn several different types of strumming patterns from just the standard like or just standard up and down strumming to alternating bass lines. You'll learn how to know when to alternate the bass lines. You'll learn the chords in each key, so you'll kind of have an idea of what chords you're going to use based on the key that the song's in. And then I'm also going to do a small lesson on walk-ups, walk-downs, like how to know when to do those from chord to chord. I'm also going to do some small picking things for this song, and then that's gonna lead us to a class that I'm gonna do starting in May that will get into more of picking like slower songs. It would include the patterns from a lot of the songs that I did in February for Valentine's Day. And so it would include a lot of that stuff. And so this course would play nicely with that one. This course is a great course for any beginner. So it would work great for any beginner. It would also work great for if you like folk music. And during the course, you're going to have access to for life, all of my classic country songs. So anytime I release a classic country song, I put the tab on my site. And so you'll have access to all of that stuff. Plus, I'm creating a Facebook group just for this course. And my dream for creating this channel was to create these videos and then show you how to do them, because in the past I watched YouTube and you would see this great guitar part and that's it. It wouldn't show you how to play it or anything like that. And so what I've been trying to do is to do all of the different parts of the song and show you guys how to do that. And this course is going to be sort of the same thing, but at the same time, I wanted to create community so that, because it's no fun, like you start playing by yourself, but you're going to grow so much more if you play with a community. So the Facebook part of this is going to be able to share the things that you're learning, share yourself playing. It's going to be a place to ask questions and to give feedback and to grow. It's also going to be a place where I'm going to come in there and give you help. I'm going to come in, answer questions, help you out, and then every week I'm going to come live. I'm going to come on live and go over certain parts based on where we are in the course. And then later that week, I'll come in and answer any questions that you have. If you are interested in the course, just click the link below. This is not, you don't have to pay anything for this part of it. The course itself is going to be $39.95, and I'm going to give discounts to anybody that signs up. If you're in my Patreon, you'll get discounts, pretty steep discounts. If you are a member of my site, I'm be looking for a way to sign up for the email and get on the list for the course. But it's going to start in April, not the first week of April, but the second week of April. I'll be out of town first week of April, but it'll start the second week of April, and it'll go through through the next 3 weeks. And so that Facebook group will be open forever. Also, the course will stay available to you. So the live portion of the course will go through April. Then the course itself will just be available. And as things are added, as the course is updated, you'll still have access to that too. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for your support. Thank you for all of the nice comments and things like that. Thank you for the support. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for the requests. Those help me so much in knowing what to do next. So keep it up. You guys are awesome. And like I said, just sign up for the course if you're interested. No payment. It'll just give you all of the updates as they come. And that's also the way that I'll know to send you discounts. And I hope you guys have a great day. If you have any requests, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.